Yes, sir. Adventures with Hayes. We back outside yet again. Me and my boy. Yes, sir. This time we in Columbiaville. Now, the last two times that I was in Columbiaville, I was solo, and we camped at Oxbow Campground. This time, I'm documenting the town, what's around the town, what they may have to offer, some of the scenery, and yeah, anyway, y'all just come on. Let's get to riding. Beautiful. Beautiful scenery, y'all. I love it. It's nice and cool in here. We're basically in a tunnel of trees. I imagine during the fall, this is probably a great 10-mile ride. First cross section on North Lake Road. We are clear to go. What we are currently riding on is called the Southern Links Trailway. If you didn't know, now you know. And I'll get you more information as we go down the trail, and I'll show you guys some of the interpretive historic information that they'll have along the trail. So we'll stop and then I'll show you guys what's up. But yeah, beautiful day. What a beautiful forest, man. Oh my goodness. Hey, we got Sister Lake Road we crossing over now. Another one of those dirt roads. I love that this trail is actually like used by the locals. There's probably been like 15, 20 people we've seen just in the 20 minutes we've been on trail. We entering the village of Otter Lake. Let's go! Hey! You guys have a great day. Thank you. Got the middle of the road. Son has elected to go into town, so we're gonna take Otter Lake Road here and swerve on into town and see what they got going on. Nice little quaint town. Good old Otter Lake. Oh, you do a loop. $16 or better. He doing about 18 miles an hour, boy. Sheesh. How you doing? Good. Have a good day. So if you like disc golf, just off of the trail over here, as you can see, we got a disc golf course. If you just keep going down this road here, Now, I don't know if it's a private course or what, so I'm not gonna venture down there, but Luke's Run Disc Golf Course, just so y'all know for future reference, if that's what you're into. I play disc golf. I'm a casual player, so I might come back if I'm back out this way. Let's get back on trail. Grand old park. This park, hey, still in the works. I see y'all, but yeah, y'all getting the job done. Okay. 20 miles.
And we made it.
Yeah, sir, picking up some good eats before we go to camp. Obviously, we like to cook our own goods, so we at Walker grocery store in town. We got some bacon. Here go the steak. Put that up. Let's see what else we need. Some waters probably. We got water, but can never have enough water. You put that up there? They got bottle return and everything. Okay. I like this store. It's a good store. Hey. You said you had a big back sandwich. Let me see, boy. All right, y'all. We just arrived. So, y'all already know it's gonna be a bunch of mosquitoes out here. So, we gonna take care of that before we even get started and spray ourselves down. So, there's the car, and we venturing on in to Oxbow. That's about the only thing that's bad out here is rose bushes and mosquitoes. You good? All right, let me know if you need to stop. We ain't got too far, like I said, only a mile and a half. So, as you guys can see, I don't know if the GoPro gives you that view, but we're up pretty steep, not too far up, but it's pretty hilly terrain. Woo! Back uphill, it's the tough. Woo! Uphill, son. Get to pedaling. Almost there, baby. And the bugs kind of chill out too. You made it through? All right. Slow down. All right, y'all, my boy helped me find some twigs so we can keep that good kindling on flame. Yeah, hold on. Now, in case you don't know about this spot and you unfamiliar and haven't caught my other videos, we at Oxbow Campground, y'all. Yes, sir. So, it's one of them state land spots. This is the Flint River here that it runs along. Pretty mosquito-y back here, but we got all the necessary tools to eliminate them. That's what we're working on. So. Good spot. Yes, sir. Adventures with Hayes, y'all ready to cook up? All right, y'all, we got our good old camp stove. I bring this when I don't feel like bringing my grate or cooking on a bunch of extra stuff. So, real quick and easy. Cool. These go here in the middle. Come in. All right. And last but not least, we got our grill top. We're gonna stick that on there. And we ready to cook. You ready for some steak?
Yeah, bro.
Hey. What's up, bro? Hey, we outside yet again. Adventures with Hayes. It don't stop. It don't stop. There's some little round steaks, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. That's them good grill marks, man. Come on, bro. Good bacon. Got about an hour and a half before sun goes all the way down. But hey, first time at Oxbow, how you liking it, my boy?
Pretty good. Look right there, y'all.
That's the river. You the only thing you ain't like was the bugs coming in, huh? The bugs and them thorn bushes was all bad, huh?
Yeah, they need to cut that down.
They need to cut it down?
Oh, no, actually, you need to cut it down.
He said I need to.
Because you're a lawn care person.
I'm a lawn care person, so I need to come do maintenance at where the DNR is supposed to be doing maintenance. So, they say 10 camp units is the max capacity here. So if you go up, I'll show you guys in the morning when we're leaving. If you go up, you'll see the other camp spots. Like I said, if you check out the other videos, there's 2 more videos that I produced in this same location. One, I was cooking bison. If you just look up Oxbow Campground, it'll pull up. But yeah, I've camped down here and then we've camped up top there. So like I said, in the morning we'll show you guys what it looks like up there since we're doing a full video. And yeah, other than that, we're just waiting on the sun to drop, y'all, so we can hang it up. But this is it. One of the most slept on, top secret spots you could ever camp at. You feel me? So you got a camp spot away from the water up top here. There's 2. There's 1 over here. Got you some good water over there if need be. And way up. Good kayaking spot, you guys, for sure.
What, there's another one over here.
All right, y'all, it's getting late. 9:18. We stocked up on wood that we scavenged around the forest. Got a decent hot kitchen up under there. You feel me? What I mean by hot kitchen is up under all them coals. It's been brewing for about 2-3 hours. So all that is hot fire, hot coals. You know what I'm saying? So all we got to do is keep adding this, and it's gonna keep rolling all through the night. We good. So good sounds in the background, that should help us go to sleep, no problem. My boy winding down. He said the bacon was good, the steak was good, even though it was well done. That's how he like it anyway, so it's all good. We got our mosquito repellents all around, set up, all perimeters. Yes, sir. What you playing?
Truck USA.
Hey, good simulator. Winding down for bedtime. Right on.
Had to get up there, y'all.
Alright. Alright.
So as you can see,
We out of here, baby.
yuppie,
Hey.
there's just a lot of trees out here, y'all. Yup. Yup. Ooh. Come on, y'all. We gotta go through this thorn, road bushes.
That's alright.
But we still getting through it.
That's alright.
We still getting through it.
Yeah.
Still once again.
Yeah.
Like outdoors.
We getting through it, boy.
Nature.
A good path.
Good path.
Open up a little bit before it closes back up and gets ugly again.
I don't like that. Nature all around us, yo.
Who else you know traveling with a chopstick on a bike? You feel me? What's up, bro? You back there? You good? Yeah. Yes, sir. We do this, man. Chopstick in hand. We camped out off grid. You feel me? Yeah, man.